Good afternoon. Happy Canada Day to all my Canadian friends. Some time for a little alfalfa in alfalfa. I'm gonna try this out. A friend of mine suggested this, and because of the winds and my banana Route 66 is occupied right now. I'm gonna take it off here. Let's go. She's a groovin'. This is such a great flying plane. I mentioned it before, it's a lot like my F4. And here I am. Cruising around on a 1500 four-cell. That's right, 1500 four-cell. Well, you can see those thunderstorms in the background. Pretty mean looking. That 1500 limits me to 3 minutes of flight, but 3 minutes of a lot of fun. I should throw a shout out or two out. I'm gonna hold off till I land. You can see those squirrely little landing gear. I did mention that I've got a short flight with this. But it's so gentle a jet to fly. It's an alpha. I say. And I dropped the gear. We're not gonna whine too much about that. Oh yeah. What kind of a loser glues these in so sparingly? I did. Yeah. So let's say some highs. Well, hi everybody. It's just gonna flop up. Yep, I wanted to say hi to Rick, of course, and Rick is uncle of my daughter who painted this little beauty. Did some weathering on it. Whether or not it worked, it's awesome. It's pretty cool. Let's see. Got Gina and Al and Rick. RB and Sherba. Got of course Brian and Sherba. Got so many. But for the people who watch it, yeah, this is fun. So I mentioned before they were going to distribute these, then they pulled them back. I don't know what went on. You can get the airframes now on AliExpress, but they for whatever reason pulled them back. I don't know why. They fly great. Maybe they couldn't find the right wing because that's what they left out of mine. So they might have had a molding issue. Anyways, they assure me that full models get sent out. Yeah, you take your chances with AliExpress, sorry. It's not AliExpress actually. It's with a real crappy company that distributed them. I'll put the note in the video. Other than that, the wind is picking up. You can see those mean and nasty clouds are coming in, which is gonna stop me. It's black in the north. You can't even see downtown anymore. But yeah, we narrowly missed some horrific weather last night. It was quite the show for Canada Day. So happy Canada Day from the colonists. We all love you, and come on and visit. Cheers, everybody. Bye-bye.